Dun po sa joint circular by multi-agencies dated January 1, 2015, very specific po yung purposes ng confidential fund. Para lang maihiwalay siya yung dun sa typical or traditional na intelligence funds that are allocated for national security agencies. Yung confidential funds po, binibigay yan ng GAA or General Appropriations Act sa so-called civilian agencies. And malalaman natin na there are some civilian agencies na talagang kailangan ng budgetary support for surveillance and information gathering related dun sa illegal activities connected to their mandate or information gathering in order to stop certain activities that would hamper the pursuit of their purposes. For example traditionally talaga merong confidential funds ang Department of Justice kasi meron silang witness protection program.
Yes,
Kailangan nilang pangalagaan yung mga witnesses na especially in high profile cases. So, doon kinukuha ng DOJ yung pangsuporta niya doon sa mga doon sa witness protection program. Kailangan ibahay yan, kailangan pakainin during the time na nandun sila sa protection ng DOJ. Sa Department of Agriculture po, meron din silang allocations before for confidential fund kasi Department of Agriculture ang nagmo-monitor ng smuggling of vegetables and crops, including rice, that are unfairly competing dun sa ating local harvest. First time, in the year 2022 and 2023, na nagkaroon ng confidential fund ang Office of the Vice President at saka yung Department of Education. Based po dun sa physical and financial program submitted by the offices ni Vice President Sara Duterte, kailangan nila ng confidential funds para i-monitor ng DepEd yung recruitment by leftist groups or armed or terrorist groups done in schools, or i-monitor yung corruption within their agency, or mag-information gathering at saka surveillance for some other illegal activities dun sa Department of Education. So yung ganong purposes po, in-expand yan at inadapt or kinuha din ng Office of the Vice President. Kahit confidential fund po ang tawag dyan, hindi ibig sabihin confidential ang paggamit. And that hindi po sila exempt dun sa audit ng Commission on Audit. Remember, ang ating pong confidential funds ay public funds. Galing po yan sa kaban ng bayan.
Yeah.
Tapos, yun po yung dapat nating tatandaan. Ang paggamit ng pera ng bayan, nakasaad yan sa General Appropriations Act, meaning sa batas. Tapos, lahat ng expenditures out of public funds or out of the treasury, nire-review po yan ng Commission on Audit kung ginamit ba ng tama at kung meron bang pruweba na tama ang paggamit ng ating public funds. So dun po sa confidential funds, ang tawag po namin dyan is cowable siya. Ibig sabihin, audit, i-audit din yan, pero yung audit po niya, hindi kagaya nung typical na audit process ng ating Commission on Audit. Ano po yung typical na audit process? Halimbawa, pag may travel ang isang kawani ng gobyerno, whether ang biyahe niya ay sa Pilipinas or sa labas ng Pilipinas or abroad, tapos sanction po yan ng, or kailangan sa trabaho ng ating public officer, unang-una dapat may travel authority. Tapos, magre-request siya ng cash advance to cover yung kanyang pamasahe, plane fare, at saka siguro may per diem siya to cover yung kanyang pagkain at saka yung kanyang hotel dun sa biyahe niya, accommodations. So, i-advance po yan ng kanyang opisina once a travel authority is issued. Tapos, pag nagastos na po yan, kailangan i-liquidate, ililista kung paano niya ginamit, magkano ba yung ginastos niya sa pagkain, magkano ba yung ginastos
Itemized.
niya sa pamasahe, etc. Yung po yung typical na audit process. Pero pagdating sa confidential, may mga may rules na hindi kagaya nung typical audit process. For example, kung purchase of confidential information, natural po, hindi yan bibigyan ng official receipt. Walang OR yan. Kasi yung informant or tipster, ang tawag po sa law enforcement, hindi niya i-disclose yung pangalan niya.
Yeah.
Tapos hindi naman yan mag-i-issue ng official receipt kasi hindi naman siya recognized na service vendor or service provider like hotels, etc. So may mga konting rules on the audit of confidential funds that are mas maluwag, if I would describe it, mas maluwag, pero dapat saklaw po doon sa loob ng Joint Circular 01-2015.